Hi, I'm Max with Skipline, and one of the most helpful features of the glass cockpit is the ability to name jobs, label paint and bead info, crew, just to name a few. Here's how you can save time by preloading text files from your computer to your HDVO or glass cockpit. So the first step, you'll want to get an empty USB drive, plug that into your computer, and then open Notepad. This will allow you to make a text document. Here I'm loading job names. I created two folders. We got city roads, and by tabbing over you can enter fields within that folder. So we've got this, that, and the other street, which are inside of the city roads. And then we've got a Highway 66 folder with a couple options there as well. So once you have it laid out how you like it, you will save. And I like to name it something easy to identify which entry field you want to put it in. And just make sure it's a text file and save. So once we have multiple things organized here, we got batch numbers, crew names. We're going to take those files and upload them to the USB drive. Once they're in there, we can safely eject and remove the USB from the computer. With your system powered on, plug in the USB and it'll pop up this screen. You want to import entry field file. And here's where you'll see your files on the left side there. And we're going to start with bead batches. And we'll put that under bead type 1. Select OK. And that will successfully import into your bead types. So we've got all three of those that I imported. I'm going to select one for today. Now we're going to go to the top right corner. You see a USB symbol there. And that's how we get back into the import entry file field again. We're going to upload our crew now. And we want to make sure we put it down into the crew name. Hit OK. And now we can select our crew for the day. So A squad's there. We've got Maverick and Goose, Hans and Chewie, but I think we're running with the B squad today. Looks like only Larry, Curly, and Mo showed up. So once we have that done, we can go up there again for the job names. We're going to import entry field again and pick our job names up at the top left. And we'll have to scroll down to find job name. There we go. Okay. And now we have our job names listed under there. City roads, our file with this, that, and the other street. And we also have Highway 66. Let's go westbound. All right. Once you have imported all the documents to the appropriate categories, all that information is at your fingertips. It's important to note that when you do select a file to upload to a category, it will overwrite any previous documents in that subcategory. So if you want to retain your old list, you'll want to make sure it's on your new text file when you upload it. It's also a very similar process for uploading any help files. They'll just be in the form of PDF and you'll import a help file instead of a text file. And happy striping!